All right, let's look at the direct material purchases budget for exercise 8.6. So Painting Corporation produces 5 feet by 5 feet painting canvases. To produce one of these canvases requires 30 square feet of canvas, excuse me. Production needs for the year 2017 are as follows. So 6,000 units in quarter one, 7,000 units in quarter two, 8,000 units in quarter three, and 9,000 units in quarter four. And again, when I say units here, that is units of canvas, so the final product unit. First quarter of 2018 expects production of 10,000 units. Each square foot of canvas costs $5. Beginning inventory of canvas for the year is 800 square feet. The CEO of the company, Arthur Pena, wants to have 10% of direct materials needed for the following quarter's production needs. Based off of this, they want us to prepare a quarterly direct material purchases budget for 2017. So again, first thing to note, the heading, the name of the company, Pena Corp. The budget we are preparing, in this case, a direct material purchases budget. And then for the reporting period, in this case, for the year ending December 31st, 2017. Again, this is forward looking. We have a column for each quarter, and then we also have a total column as well. First line here, units to be produced. Remember, this is the final product unit. So this is the canvas itself, the 5x5 canvas that we sell to the end consumer. These are how many we want to produce in each of these quarters. And where would you get those numbers if I didn't give them to you? You would look to your production budget. That's where those numbers flow from. So in quarter one, we're going to produce 6,000 canvas, quarter two, 7,000, quarter three, 8,000, quarter four, 9,000, for the entire year, 30,000 canvas. Excuse me. Now, I want to convert from units to square feet, because remember, we are trying to deal with direct material purchases here. And our direct material in this case is square feet of canvas. So I need to convert from finished good units essentially to my material units. Each canvas requires 30 square feet of material. So I want to convert from units to square feet of canvas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my units produced and I'm going to multiply it by the amount of square feet per canvas, in this case 30 square feet. So now what I've done is I've converted from units to be produced in finished goods units that the consumer is going to consume. I have now converted it to square feet of canvas. So in quarter one, to meet production, I need 180,000 square feet. Quarter two, 210,000, 240 in Q3, and 270 in Q4. So for a total of 900,000 square feet of canvas for the year. Now I can go through and determine, okay, how much material do I need to purchase in order to meet these demands? Plus, we want to have a little bit of extra. Remember, they have a desired ending inventory policy of 10% of the following quarter's needs, material needs for production. And it's 10%. So for quarter one, I want to have on hand 21,000 square feet of canvas at the end of the quarter that will go into production in quarter two. And how did I calculate that? I took quarter two square feet needed of canvas and I applied that 10% amount. Again, that's a management choice. They might be higher, might be lower. Some might not want any ending inventory for various reasons. But in Q1, I want to have 21,000 square feet of canvas on hand at the end of the quarter. Q2, if I do the same calculation, 10% of the following quarter's square feet needed of canvas, which is 240,000. So I want to have on hand at the end of quarter two, 24,000 square feet of canvas. Q3, I want 27,000 square feet of canvas on hand at the end of the quarter. And again, it's Q4's needs multiplied by 10%. And then for Q4, remember, I want to have still 10% of the following quarter's material needs on hand. If we look at the question, the first quarter of Q4 requires 10,000 units, expects 10,000 units to be produced. How would I get this number? It's the amount of units that are expected to be produced in Q1 of the following year, which is 10,000. I want to convert that to square feet of canvas. So I multiply that by 30. And now to figure out how much ending inventory I want to have on hand at the end of Q4, I apply that 10% safety stock ratio percentage that we require. So that's how I get the 30,000 at the end of Q4. So total direct material required, I simply add up the total square feet needed of canvas plus the desired ending inventory. So for Q1, we need 201,000 square feet of canvas, 234 for Q2, 267 for Q3, and 300,000 for Q4. Now what I do is I subtract out my beginning inventory, and it told us in the question, it began the year with only 800 square feet of canvas on hand. So that's my raw material. So my beginning inventory is 800,000. I require 201,000 for Q2. That means I need to purchase 200,200 square feet of canvas in Q1. For Q2, we need 234,000 on hand. I begin the quarter with 21,000 square feet because remember, at the end of Q1, I want to have 21,000 square feet of canvas on hand. So my ending inventory for quarter one becomes my beginning inventory in quarter two. Ending inventory for quarter two becomes beginning inventory for quarter three. Ending inventory for quarter three becomes beginning inventory for quarter four. Again, it's the same pattern. So for quarter two, I need to purchase the difference there, which is 213,000 square feet. Quarter three, I subtract the two. I need to purchase 243,000 square feet of material, and then 273 in quarter four. So this is how much we need to purchase. Now, what's the cost there? That obviously is very important. Well, it costs us $5 per square foot of canvas. So I simply multiply that $5 per square foot of canvas by the amount of material we're going to purchase. So in quarter one, we expect to spend $1,000,000 in material costs in quarter one. Quarter two, $1,065,000, and simply I'm just multiplying the two. Quarter three, $1.215 million. Again, multiplying the amount of material to be purchased times that $5 per square foot rate. And then for quarter four, $1.365 million, which is again the amount of material we expect to purchase in quarter four times that $5 per square foot rate. For the entire year of 2017, we're going to purchase 929,200 square feet of canvas, assuming the rate is $5 per square foot. We're going to spend about $4.6 million in material purchases for the year. But again, just having this information here that's highlighted, that is good. That is useful information, but it's not sufficient. Having it detailed out by quarter gives me more information. If I'm Arthur Pena, the CEO of this company, I know then I can plan my purchases. I can plan my expenditures that in quarter one, I'm going to spend about $1 million on material, goes up in each quarter subsequently.